here we are at confidence. So what exactly is confidence? For me, it's that inner knowing where you are saying yes to life. Yes. Not, oh, I'm really good at this, so I'm going to do this. Or, oh, I am not going to do this because, that scares me. I'm just too nervous to do it. Confidence is your ability to walk in the unknown without it bothering you. It's this delicious sense of curiosity about life and wonder that keeps you looking up and growing and changing and learning and meeting and connecting. That's what confidence is. And it's simply an energy. Now let's go back to my notion of 1,000-watt presence. Again, this light that is inside of you that you were born with. When you're connected to that, that is the energy of confidence. It's the energy of flow where you are literally getting out of your own way. Now, I was raised, and I don't know where I got this message, whether it was from my parents or school or society or magazines, I don't know. But I did have a little bit of a feeling like I needed to be perfect all the time. I don't know, it was just, no one told me that, but it was a sense that I was always striving for something, that I wanted to say the right thing or do the right thing or get the right grades or go to the right school or, do. And there was this sort of concept that I had about perfectionism. Well, I am here to bust that wide open because A, there is no such thing. And your flaws, your uniqueness, the authenticity that you have, that's what makes you beautiful. There's a beautiful notion in Japanese culture called wabi-sabi, and it is that magic in the imperfection that makes the art itself absolutely stunning. And I think that confidence is just that ability to tap into that flow so it's there for you whenever you need it. And believe me, you will need it as you navigate this world. Yes, of course, in this course, we're talking about articulation. We're talking about presenting yourself in an authentic way and dynamic way in all different areas and avenues in your life. But confidence is that piece of you to just this inner knowing that knows that you can handle it. You can handle it. You can't do anything wrong. You are supported by the universe and by so many people who love you. And your ability to play in life's playground will make you happy, will make you successful, and will be that delicious energy that is fueling you every single day. So in this module, welcome to the world of confidence.